the anthem of unity. On a high mountain, where the earth met the heavens, sat an old man named Tafari. He looked into the endless, swirling galaxy and spoke to the stars. The earth does not owe its current life-friendliness to a continuous development, but probably to a chance event, the late impact of a foreign, water-rich body. This makes it clear that life-friendliness in the universe is anything but a matter of course. With him sat his student, a wise man known as Blue Turban Stone. Tafari turned to him. "Our continent is like this earth, my friend. Its peace is not a given. It must be nurtured. A single song, a single act of courage, can be the chance event that changes everything." Carrying Tafari's wisdom in his heart, Blue Turban Stone joined his friend, Mark Wood. They traveled across Africa, spreading a message of unity. And on their journey, they heard a new sound, a melody of hope strummed on a guitar by a 12-year-old boy named Dimdimi Faso. Under a great baobab tree, Dimdimi wasn't just playing music. He was composing the anthem for a new, united Africa. He dreamed of a continent where the wealth of its lands, the gold, the diamonds, the rich soil, belonged to all its people. But a shadow loomed. In a dark room, a man known only as Kiongozi watched on a bank of screens. He and his organization, the Vultures, thrived on chaos. They whispered lies that sparked conflicts, turning peaceful neighbors against each other to steal Africa's precious minerals. Dimdime started a small online channel, and his songs of unity began to travel faster than any of Kiongozi's spies. Hearing his music, Blue Turban Stone knew this was the, quote, chance event Tafari spoke of. He sent a coded message: "Your music is a beacon. We need your voice. Meet us at the old radio tower at dawn." Dimdimi's heart pounded. At the rusty radio tower, Mark Wood explained the danger. "The Vultures are trying to start a war over the diamond fields. They want the people to fight so they can swoop in and take everything." Blue Turban Stone placed a hand on Dimdime's shoulder. "A wise man taught me that our future is not guaranteed. It is made of small, powerful moments. Your music can be that moment. It can remind people that what unites them is stronger than what the Vultures use to divide them." As Kiongozi snarled, "A boy with a guitar," Dimdimi, Mark, and Blue Turban Stone were already broadcasting his most powerful song from the tower. His voice, carried on the radio waves, soared across the continent, singing of a shared history and a common future. The song was a spark. In the diamond fields, miners laid down their tools, seeing each other not as enemies, but as brothers. The Vultures' plan crumbled. The dream of the United States of Africa was still a long way off, but as the sun rose, they knew it was closer than ever. They would not stop until it was a reality by Christmas 2026.